Are you tired of your car looking like this? Faded paint, unsightly scratches, and dull surfaces? What if you could transform your vehicle into a showroom-quality masterpiece? We get it. Learning the art of detailing and polishing can feel overwhelming. Where do you even start? That's why we created Detail Planet Training, your ultimate guide to mastering detailing and polishing. Our comprehensive training covers everything you need, from paint correction to detailing techniques and understanding the best products on the job. With step-by-step guidance, hands-on demonstrations, and pro tips, you'll gain the confidence to tackle any detailing job like a pro. Our expert instructors have years of experience and are passionate about helping you succeed. Learn at your own pace with our flexible, scheduled, in-person training options. Boost your skills, grow your business, and increase your earnings with top-notch detailing knowledge. Ready to take your detailing skills to the next level? Visit detailplanet.com and sign up for our training today. Detail Planet Training, your road to detailing excellence. Join the Detail Planet community now and start down your road to delivering excellence today.